Hi, this is Jeeps Rock. We normally talk about our overlanding or off-roading on our channel, sometimes Jeep parts, but we're going to be talking about the E500 from Jackery, which is the Explorer 500. And if you would go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. That bell is going to let you know of our next video that's coming up, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. What we're showing you here though, this is the portable power station, and what it's going to allow you to do is charge up all these devices. You see here, I have all my batteries charging. I have a remote charging for my drone that I have up here, my phone, tablet, and I still have yet another spot. And even on here that you see behind me is actually a portable electric cooler. So you wouldn't recommend running this whole thing just on this for the cooler all day because it's not going to make it. But if you have the Solar Saga 100, that's going to help you push it even further. Especially if it's not a really hot day, it should run just fine. But again, this is another accessory that they have as well, which is a solar panel that has two kick-out stands, allows you to continually just keep charging the Jackery E500 if you need to. But this is going to be more of for the larger ones that are looking for maybe an indoor power source or an outdoor power source if you're working outside. Say if you're doing some yard work and you need to run a fan or some kind of air compressor or something like that, that can run that electricity for you. But what I want to show you real quickly is this has different buttons here on the side. You have the AC, and each time you click it on, it turns on indicator for you. Right now it's charging my batteries in my remote, and then this is starting to charge my phone, which are the 2.4, which is really nice. They're going to charge a lot faster than your typical little wall charger would. And then the DC, which is right now we're going to be running for our refrigerator here on the side. It also has an LED built-in light, and so I don't blind anybody in the camera. If you hit it once, it lights up, as you can see. But if you turn it off and hold it, you'll start seeing it's an SOS signal. So that way you don't have to know how to do an SOS signal. It does it for you right away, so that way you can give somebody else attention. It's a nice little touch for them. But again, that's an LED light, built-in light. You don't have to have something plugged in just for a light. You already have one. It's front-facing versus that way. That way you have a handle and you're pointing it to the direction you need to use for your light, which is a nice. And they do include this bag that I was showing you here. This is for like your power cables and a charger that comes with it. This can be charged either on your wall, your DC from your car, or as I mentioned earlier, the solar. So keep those all in mind. Go to Jackery.com to take a look. They have sales on these all the time, so you want to kind of keep your eye out for them. But right now we were able to pick this up and for a good price, and we want you to go ahead and again check Jackery.com and take a look, and we hope that you enjoy the Jackery E500 as much as we do. Thanks again for watching Jeeps Rock, and we'll see you out on the trail.